Hello, I'm reporting a disaster on the Polar Express. I had a stupid mistake that ended up costing me all 7 of my switches. They're all dead. What happened was I added this new CW180 transformer from Lionel to my layout to give me more wattage on my accessory circuit and my track 1 circuit. And when I connected the accessory lines, I ended up reversing the polarity, and I connected positive to negative, negative to positive, and when I turned it on, I blew all of the switches and a couple of other accessories like the animated billboard. Probably not going to replace the animated billboard because the noise it makes going flipping back and forth is a little distracting, but the switches I do have to replace. I just received new switches. I ordered from Grzybowski Trains. They arrived yesterday, and I'll put a link below to Grzybowski's. And I also, at the same time, I ordered one new car from them, and that is the traditional wooden reefer car that I've now added onto my train. And I'm going to wait until after Christmas to do the work on adding the replacing the switches, because that's going to be a little bit complicated to try to remove them without tearing up the layout too much. So that's the progress, and that's the disaster on the Polar Express. A very, very, very expensive lesson. Not a cheap proposition at all to replace 7 switches, remote controlled switches. And I'm very unhappy about my stupidity in making that connection the wrong way. But Lionel accessories just aren't very forgiving, and there's just nothing in the circuitry that protects them against a mistake like that. So I will be replacing them, and that will be one of my next projects immediately after Christmas, before I do a whole bunch more work on the rest of the layout. If you like these videos, please click like, and also please subscribe. And I'll continue to post videos as we continue to progress with the Polar Express layout. I'll just close by showing you quickly the controller, which is very traditional looking, and the actual transformer, which has a built-in circuit breaker. Nice improvement over the previous generation of equipment. And we'll be posting more after the holidays. Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year.